What up, YouTube? BrokeFarmer back for another video on this beautiful day. And this is the day before the storm. I got to get all my plant. Yeah, I ain't got time to talk. I'm going to put them in the greenhouse. I don't want the wind blow them over. All right, y'all. Be back. All right. I got all my citrus babies that's in small pots in my greenhouse. I don't want the wind to blow them over. All of them doing spectacular so far. I even brought in a couple of my figs. Yeah, all my cuttings, everything. I ain't taking no chances, y'all. All right, this is before the storm. Got all my babies in here. That's what it's looking like right now. It's raining hard. We're gonna be back tomorrow and see what the aftermath is, what it looked like. All right, y'all, it's the day after the storm. It's the morning. It's still windy, but y'all coming out here the same time I do. Gonna be a real live video, and let's see what's going on out here, y'all. All right, let's assess the damage. Weirdly enough, a little pepper plant, I would have thought got blew out the ground, but okay. Tomato plant, gone to glory. Yeah, we're gonna have to just tear that one out. Yeah, that one gone. All right. And blew my peach tree bald headed. Oh my God. Literally all the leaves are gone. This was full of leaves yesterday, or the day before yesterday. Wow. I don't think I seen that. All right, citrus babies ain't looking that bad. Passion fruit, all right. Weirdly enough, it didn't blow that many leaves off my plum tree over there. I don't get how that worked. Blew the leaves off this one. She butt naked. Yeah. Is that a bloom came up? Look like it's trying to bloom. Anyway. Oh, we got a problem. And why did it just get, okay, it was bluer for a second. Blew this tree all the way over. Try to stand her back up. Gonna have to stake her till she get back right. And it's just all that water in there. Focus on me now. Focus. Just all that water that's in there. So I'm gonna have to get some soil back up in there and get it stood up right. But yeah, that's just a whole bunch of water. I can get that one stood back up. As long as it dries back out, that'll probably be all right. My other little apple tree, oh my God. Knocked her sideways. I gotta get that stood back up. Lord have mercy. All right. And it's just, you can hear it, the water slushing. So I got to get those stood back up. I don't think that's going to cause it to die. It's a young tree, it's resilient. But look at here, look at here. This is my Jamaican sorrel. Not all the flowers off. Knocked it all the way over. Just so much water. Knocked this sorrel all the way over out the pot. I don't know if that one's gonna be able to recover because it came up where the roots are. So I don't know. I might just have to take that one out. See if it's anything to harvest and just take it out. But the biggest problem with my newer trees, pear I just put in the ground not too long ago. She leaning to the side, got to stand her back up. I think those will be all right. I'm not worried about the ones that got knocked over a little bit. All of my established trees are doing fine. I was concerned about this pomegranate. She's doing fine. And somebody's saying, well, this tree leaning too. Well, this one was always leaning. If anything, you probably straighten it up a little bit. Got a little Ta-Nehisi persimmon. But it's soaked to the bone back here. And this is another one of my leaning trees. It was leaning so much to start with, I can't tell if it's crooked now or it's always been like that. But, yeah. Tomato knocked down. Yeah, it had some tomatoes on it, but I think I'm about to let this go. Yeah. My little trellis I had for my passion fruit, that's gone. I don't know, maybe it'll make it, who knows. And it's just drenched with water out here. So, yeah. It's gonna take a lot of drying out. Yep, all these old sorry tomato cages knocked off. And this persimmon tree, what happened here? Oh my God. I stepped right there and went straight down. Did it just come off the stake? All right, I'm gonna have to tie that back to the stake. That don't look good. These hibiscus, all of these just gone. And I think at this stage I can harvest them already anyway. I think, y'all let me know down in the comments. But I think these are ready to be harvested. So I should be able to get some off. It's not a total loss. Pretty sure all these are ready to go. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take one just to see. My other hibiscus over there, or Jamaican sorrel, however you want to say it, it's gone. Upper room. Stuff knocked sideways on the soil. Not a big problem. Not a big problem. But my collars and everything got knocked around, but I think they gonna make it. They don't look bad. Nothing looks horrible. But there's a lot of work to be done, y'all. Let me check my other plants. All right, couple more things I was really concerned about. My little satsuma tree. She made it through though. She fine. Look at this water. And I don't usually have standing water in my yard, y'all. My yard usually drains pretty well. So we're gonna see how long it takes for that to dry. Oh, there we go. This is what I was worried about, y'all. My figs, they still there. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. All right. Yeah, I'm definitely wasn't worried about the mulberries. They got a super deep root system. Yep, so I guess that's officially the end of watermelon season. Everything I had planted up here, yeah, the water done got all them. Yeah, all these plants dead. These still look alive. Still look alive. We can get a couple watermelons out of that. I mean, all in all, everything is it's kind of okay. Couple things I gotta stand back up. Gotta wait till it dried a little bit and see can I get everything stood back up. I mean, it's not good, but it ain't bad. I kind of expected way worse, but my garden made it through. Everything that I need for fall gardening made it through. So I'm not disappointed and I'm not happy, but life goes on and hard work never stops. More work to do in the garden as always. I'm out.